Sarah found the letter on a quiet afternoon. The house was still. The air felt heavy, as if it was holding old memories. She was cleaning the drawer under her bed, the one she almost never opened. Inside were old notebooks, faded photos, and at the very bottom, an envelope. The envelope had turned yellow with time. Her name, Sarah, was written on it in familiar handwriting. She recognized it immediately. It was her own from years ago. Her hands froze. Her heart began to beat faster. She sat on the floor and held the letter carefully. She had written it when she was younger, when emotions were strong and confusing, and saying things out loud felt impossible. That night returned to her mind. Rain tapped softly against the apartment window. A small lamp filled the room with warm light. Sarah had written the letter slowly, her hands shaking as she searched for the right words. The letter was meant for Daniel. Sarah and Daniel had met in college. He was quiet and kind. He listened without interrupting. When Sarah spoke about her dreams or her worries, Daniel listened like her words mattered. That made her feel safe. Her feelings grew over time. Not suddenly, but gently. Long talks after class, shared coffee, walks across campus that felt too short. Without realizing it, Daniel became an important part of her life. She wanted to tell him the truth, but fear stopped her. Fear of losing their friendship, fear of changing something beautiful, fear of hearing an answer she could not handle. So she wrote the letter instead. In the letter, Sarah told Daniel how calm she felt around him, how his voice made hard days easier, how she thought of him more than she wanted to admit. She wrote about love, simple and honest, but she never gave him the letter. The next day, Daniel told her he was moving to another state. He had accepted a new job. A new life was waiting for him. Sarah smiled and congratulated him. She wished him well. She did not mention the letter. It stayed hidden. Life moved forward. Sarah began working. She met new people. She built a routine. From the outside, everything seemed fine, but in quiet moments, she still thought about Daniel. She wondered what might have happened if she had spoken up. Years passed. Now, sitting on the floor, Sarah slowly opens the letter. The paper felt thin and fragile. The ink had faded, but the feelings were still alive. As she read, her eyes filled with tears, not only from sadness, but from honesty. She missed the younger version of herself, the one who felt deeply and hoped freely. Every line brought back memories, late nights studying, shared laughter, simple moments that once meant everything. Sarah folded the letter and placed it on her lap. She closed her eyes and took a deep breath. For the first time, she did not feel regret. She felt clarity. She understood that the letter was never really for Daniel. It was for her. It carried her truth. She stood up and walked to the window. The sky outside was quiet and gray, just like it was that night long ago. Sarah made a decision. She tore the letter slowly, not in anger, not in pain, but in peace. She let the pieces fall away. She felt lighter. Some feelings are meant to be felt, not shared. Some stories are meant to stay inside, and that is okay. That evening, Sarah made herself a cup of tea and sat quietly. She smiled, knowing the past no longer held her. Not all letters are meant to be sent. Some are written to help us move on. If this story touched you, please like, comment, and subscribe.